Is there anything better than spending time with family and friends during a backyard barbecue? What if you could transform your ordinary cookout into a food-tastic event they'll talk about for years to come? Delight and impress your guests with mouth-watering, picture-perfect kebabs. Clever Kebab allows you to create scrumptious, flavorful kebabs in just minutes. The Clever Kebab is so simple and fun to use, everyone will want to turn. All you have to do is layer your ingredients inside. Insert the skewers through the top, then slice through the fresh ingredients. Voila! You've just made 16 perfectly shaped kebabs without any mess. Now all you have to do is add your favorite seasonings and grill for succulent kebabs that will keep your guests coming back for more. Kebabs are a great way to get kids to eat their veggies too. The functionality of the Clever Kebab doesn't end with those tasty treats. In fact, it begins with your prep. Unhinge the Clever Kebab and use it to rinse your fruit and vegetables. Lay the Clever Kebab flat and it's the perfect cutting surface to prepare your ingredients. Clever Kebab is easy to assemble and has a built-in knife sharpener, so you never have to worry about being able to slice your ingredients. There's also a built-in juicer, allowing you to easily infuse your kebabs with fresh citrus or add a tasty drink to your meal. When you're done, Clever Kebab easily disassembles, goes right into the dishwasher, then folds for easy storage. Clever Kebab comes with 32 bamboo skewers, the built-in knife sharpener, juicer, and a recipe book full of great ideas.
Say hello to the AccuSharp Knife and Tool Sharpener, the #1 rated and best reviewed sharpener on the market. This is a perfect knife sharpener for chef's knives, paring knives, serrated knives, fillet knives, cleavers, you name it. If you own a knife, you need this sharpener. It features a V-notch sharpening slot with diamond-honed tungsten carbide sharpening blades, an ergonomic grip, and full-length finger guard. The high-grade industrial-quality tungsten carbide sharpener restores your double-bevel blade with just a few strokes. Due to its unique design, the blades are reversible and replaceable to double its life. Simply place your knife on a stable surface with the cutting edge up and the tip extending just past the end of the table. Place your sharpener at a 90-degree angle and with a light pressure, draw the sharpener along the blade's edge past the point of the blade. You will feel the tungsten carbide shaping your new edge with each pull. The easy-to-use dishwasher-safe AccuSharp knife sharpener comes with a lifetime warranty. The AccuSharp knife and tool sharpener is proudly made in the USA.
Getting started with your Cafe Couture oven. It is recommended to wipe the interior walls of the oven with a damp sponge before first use. Accessories may be cleaned in the dishwasher, but it is recommended to hand wash with warm, soapy water. Place the oven on a level, heat-resistant surface, making sure it has at least 4 inches of clearance on all sides. Do not place or store any items on top of the oven, except for the included accessories. Plug in the oven, the appliance alarm will sound, and the control display will illuminate. It is recommended to operate the oven empty on air fry mode for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit before cooking for the first time. When using the oven for the first time, the unit may emit visible vapors and a slight odor. This is normal, safe, and not detrimental to the oven.